So let me see who all have already joined us. Welcome Ankita, Reena, Smita, Vandana, Nidhi, Shraddha. Thank you for logging in.
Awesome.
So I'm sure a few more people will join. So before they come, let's just do a recap of the mindfulness games activity that we had done. If you see the first one, flower and leaf breathing, and all those who are new to the community or are attending it for the first time, I have already shared the link of the mindfulness games part 1 session on the group. So all those who have missed the first session can go through that. We have already done the 4 games earlier: the flower leaf breathing, the finger tracing, and yes, we have very important one which we did was emotional body, where we discussed about how emotion is energy in motion, and we touched upon appreciation too. So let me see who all angels are already in. Okay, that's great. So we will start now with the 5th game today for us, which is blessing balloons. And others will join and we will bless them also as and when they join. So blessing balloons, as you would have seen, is another game. Basically, it is another name for forgiveness. So what do we do with the balloon? If let's say it is filled with air and I just let it go in the sky to the heavens, right? So which means I let go of something which is holding me back. I let go of the grudges, the guilt, the anger. And if you would have seen blessing balloons, both the words start with B, alphabet B. Before you understand this activity, I would like to bring in a third word with the alphabet B. Most often than not, the entire miseries of our life, all the miserable situations are actually unconsciously we blame it on somebody else. So the third word, if you consider, is B for blame. And what happens? The moment we start blaming somebody else for our anger, which means I have let go of the control. I have let go of the responsibility that I have in that situation. And I have adopted a victim mentality. So most often than not nowadays, since there is a lot of stress, people say I am miserable because of XYZ person. I was angry because of somebody else, because of my sister, because of my spouse, and which means that I am not taking any ownership of the situation. Or then if nobody else is to blame, we'll say it's bad luck, you know, किस्मत ही खराब है. Correct? So which means that I am attacking that energy which is bringing misery in my life, and I feel that I have no way out. Correct? So when we think about this blessing balloons, this is my favorite one, because in my life, lot of my troubles have been resolved by this. Because sometimes when you try to hold too many balloons, just mentally think about that. that you have one balloon and the wind is blowing, you're holding a balloon, and the balloon becomes so heavy, right? The balloon is trying to go all over the place, but you are trying to hold on with that thread. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to manage that, balloon, because it is just trying to sway in the air, but you are wanting to hold it. So there's one balloon you are holding that, boss, मेरी job ठीक नहीं चल रही. My boss is an issue, assuming. Then you hold another balloon saying that my spouse is a constant irritation. And this is a second balloon you're holding. Okay. And then you hold a third balloon that there is something which is not well with my health because of some stress. Okay. So there's a third balloon you're holding. And what happens? When you are out in the game of life, wanting to play, sway, enjoy, what happens? You are constantly holding on to these balloons. Will it be comfortable? Will you be comfortable going, will you have that free will of just running around and enjoying the flow of life? No, because constantly your attention will be towards the three threads that you are holding. Correct? And you have to keep protecting them because you have put a blame on somebody else and it becomes so heavy gradually. And after a point of time, do you really enjoy holding those balloons? Momentarily, it would have given you happiness that I am not responsible and there is some other who is inflicting pain on me. कोई और मुझे दुख दे रहा है या कोई और व्यक्ति मेरे दुखों का कारण है. अच्छा लगता है पहले, but it did not solve any of my problems. I never got any solution. So the day I decided that, boss, I will have to let go of these balloons which I am holding, and I will also let go of them with a blessing. Because who has sent these problems in my life? Nobody has any control. I cannot control the flow of my breath. I cannot control the flow of events in my life. Then the situations which I am perceiving as a misery, जो मुझे मुश्किलें दिख रही हैं, वो actually मुझे strong बनाने के लिए आई है मेरी लाइफ में. Just think about that. And what if you say that nobody else is responsible for whatever is happening in your life? It is your own creation, right? Would you really want to blame somebody else? Does it really give you any, edge of solution? Does it give you any sunlight or any daylight at the end of the tunnel? नहीं मिलेगा. So with this mindfulness activity, I sit with myself quietly and I contemplate which all balloons I am holding. With eyes closed or eyes open, mentally think about people who I have been blaming or circumstances, situations I have been blaming, which is like you're holding on to that thread. Why not release that thread with a blessing? Why not tell them, thank you? Forgiveness actually means thank you for giving me this gift. So there was a gift in your misery. There is a gift of the transition that a caterpillar undergoes. And therefore, he then transitions into a butterfly. So can you really thank that person who you are mentally, always blaming or putting him on, the pedestal, saying that, boss, you are the one because of which I am facing this. Can you just let go of that pedestal and thank that person and seek forgiveness? And through this, mentally, just take 2 minutes. Visualize you are holding 2 or 3 balloons, which are blame balloons. Okay, because you felt somebody else was responsible for that misery in your life. दूसरे व्यक्ति हैं आपकी जिंदगी में मुश्किलों का जो कारण है वो दूसरे व्यक्ति बनते हैं. Can you for a moment, whoever is coming in your mind's eye, okay, it can be any person or a situation, can you for a moment bless that situation? Can you for a moment think that situation has been destined to be in your life through the universal energies? You can name the higher universal energies as Sai Baba or Shiva or angels, any energy that you connect with. अगर उनके ही कंट्रोल से सब हो रहा है and that is your destiny, would it not be better if you can bless that? And visualize as if you're just letting go of that thread. जो blame का धागा था, आपने उसको bless करके हवा में छोड़ दिया. And then the balloon is not going to wait. The balloon just diffuses and rises and rises and happily goes up in the sky from where it had come. It goes to its source, origin. So can you feel the release? Because mentally sometimes हमारे अंदर एक heaviness रहती है कि बस मेरी लाइफ में तकलीफें हैं और दूसरे लोग इसका कारण है. पर जब आप उनको ब्लेसिंग बलून्स की तरह रिलीज करते हो, you will realize you feel so. Sorry. So you really feel light. Just a minute. Yes, sorry. I think we have connected now. Thank you. Okay, so I hope you liked. Okay, Kalpana, am I audible to you now? There was some problem in between. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So blessing balloons, we are done with that. I hope you have released some sort of heaviness and let it go with the balloons. The next mindfulness game that we do, if you see the next one, is the worry tree. It's a very beautiful exercise. So what is a worry tree? So let's imagine, हम imagine करते हैं कि हमारा mind एक garden है. Okay? And इस garden में बहुत सारे trees हम plant कर सकते हैं. But trees के growth के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? Seeds चाहिए. Correct? तो आप अपने mind के garden में जो भी trees plant करना चाहते हो, उसके लिए seeds आप कैसे लोगे? Low quality seeds लोगे या high quality seeds चाहोगे? I'm sure high quality. Right?
High quality. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So, which means that if your mind is a garden and you want to grow trees, you will need seeds. और वो seeds क्या है? हमारे thoughts. Most often than not, लोगों का thought pattern क्या है? Is a worry thought pattern. Like for example, whatever is happening outside, the situation of pandemic. थॉट पैटर्न क्या है? सीड क्या डाल रहे हैं हम? Oh my God, the world is going to end. अब कौन सा ट्री उगना चाहिए? You can also keep on typing in the comments so that it becomes interactive. So अभी अगर ऐसा मैंने सीड डाल दिया है, अब कैसा ट्री आएगा ये गार्डन में? Stressful. Yes, Shraddha. Obviously, the worry. Yes, the tree is looking worried. You're right. Because stress आ गया, ये टेंशन आ गई. Thank you, Smita, Ankita. Because ये टेंशन आ गई बॉस, दुनिया तो खत्म हो रही है. And now when I get up in my life all ready to show up and go up, I expect good results. Is it possible? Possible नहीं है. Correct? So ये ध्यान रखना है in the worry tree exercise that thoughts are my seeds. Please make a note of it mentally, or if you are taking notes, just remember that thoughts are your seeds. दिखते नहीं है वो किसी को. आप कहोगे हमने तो नहीं बताया किसी को ऐसा है, बट आपने सोचा. थॉट से भी पहले क्या आता है? वाइब्रेशन. और इसके लिए हम इस टाइम पे बार बार लोगों को कहते हैं डोंट गो विद द सोशल मीडिया, डोंट लुक सो मच इनटू द न्यूज, बिकॉज द होल एंड सोल पर्पस ऑफ न्यूज इज टू स्केयर यू, okay, to show you the hard hitting reality. In the parallel world also, means in the world parallelly also, there are good things happening. But have you seen media showing anything good in this situation? No, because negativity sells. So the more I am looking at the stress, मेरी वाइब्रेशन भी मैंने स्ट्रेस की बना ली, और मेरे थॉट्स भी ऑब्वियसली. कई लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है, डरावने सपने आ रहे हैं. आई वर्क विद पीपल एंड दे से कि रात को अचानक से हम डर के उठे, ऐसे लगे कि कुछ हो गया है. Because that vibration is acting in your body and you start getting stressful thoughts. And therefore, the tree which is going to grow in your mind's garden is not a happy tree. So if you go back and see the reality of your life, everything starts with the vibration. Because you are a magnet. रामायण का जब चालू हुआ, टेलीकास्ट ऑल ओवर अगेन, ऑब्वियसली हम पहले छोटे थे बचपन में तो देखी है हमने, बट वी कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड द डेप्थ ऑफ इट. बट इन द एपिसोड, इनिशियल एपिसोड्स ओनली, जहाँ पे राम जी एंड ऑल 4 ब्रदर्स वर टेकन टू द गुरुकुल एंड आश्रम में उनका पहला लेसन क्या था? अगर आप वो एपिसोड दोबारा देखना चाहें, उनका पहला गुरुकुल में ये लेसन था कि हमारी बॉडी के इर्द गिर्द एक आकर्षण का सिद्धांत है. हमारी बॉडी के आसपास जो फिजिकल बॉडी है, उसके इर्द गिर्द हमारी ऑरिक बॉडी है, और हम वही अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. हम मैग्नेट हैं, हम वही अट्रैक्ट करते हैं जो हम सोचते हैं. पर आजकल कोई ये बात नहीं कर रहा है. ये हमारी ट्रेडिशनल हिंदू कल्चर्स की शिक्षा में जब भगवान श्री राम को बताया गया, then why are we not aware? Because probably no one is talking about it. But this is the importance of your vibration and thought. अगर आपने सोचा नहीं है सही, तो आपका रिजल्ट सही नहीं आएगा. लोग सोचते हैं कि अरे सोच का क्या है ना, किसी को पता ही नहीं चलता, सोच तो इनविजिबल है. बट आपके रिजल्ट्स में दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. You will start seeing the results. And if the results are not so happy results, which means, boss, go back and get high quality seeds. Results means trees, right? So which means अगर ट्री अच्छा नहीं आया है, उसपे फल नहीं लग रहे हैं, पत्ते अच्छे नहीं उग रहे हैं, पक्षी आके उसके पास बैठ नहीं रहे हैं, फल फूल नहीं दे रहा है पेड़, मतलब कहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हमारे अंदर थी. अनकॉन्शियसली भी हम लोग कई बार बहुत कुछ गलत चीजें सोचते हैं. इसके लिए मैं जरूर कहती हूँ, रात को सोने के टाइम पे, बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप, that is the time you are going to re-record your subconscious mind. उस टाइम पे 5 मिनट की भी मेडिटेशन आपको 50 आवर्स का बेनिफिट देगी. Can you give that 5 to 10 minutes to change your entire life? पॉसिबल है. और मिरेकल्स भी इसी दुनिया में हो रहे हैं. लॉट ऑफ मिरेकल्स हैपन एंड मिरेकल्स will then become a normal life for you. ठीक है? So worry-free exercise is you have to sit again quietly, because mindfulness is कि आप अपनी feelings, thoughts, emotions के साथ बैठ के connect कर रहे हो कि मेरे अंदर चल क्या रहा है, what is it that I am thinking. और जैसा कि हमने बताया था, emotion is made up of two words, emotion, which means energy in motion. तो जो भी मैंने सोचा वो एनर्जी बन गई और वो मोशन में सेटअप हो जाएगी और वैसे ही रिजल्ट्स आएंगे मेरी लाइफ में. करेक्ट? So the worry-free exercise, you sit, relax, be comfortable, and let's do it now for a minute and see which are the first 2-3 thoughts coming up. Let's do it quickly. You can close your eyes or keep it open. देखो आपके माइंड के अंदर पहला थॉट क्या आया. मुझे पहला थॉट आया कि सब लोग अच्छे से अगर ये चीज समझ जाएंगे तो दुनिया कितनी बदल जाएगी, राइट? So if you are getting the first thought of a stress, तो आप ये जरूर समझना कि उसको मुझे अपने माइंड के गार्डन में प्लांट नहीं करना है, वो सीड आपकी सॉइल में जाना नहीं चाहिए. तो इसके लिए क्या करना है, अगर कोई नेगेटिव थॉट आता है, आप बोलोगे तो थॉट आ गया है, अब मैं क्या करूं. So think about something good. Okay, think about deliberately, जैसे हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, like we have started affirmations, okay, which means कि मेरा माइंड जो है वो नेगेटिव सोचने के लिए इंक्लाइंड है बाय डिफॉल्ट. तो मुझे डेलिबरेटली अफर्मेशंस के साथ, मेडिटेशन के साथ उसको पॉजिटिव करना पड़ेगा, वो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. खाना अच्छा बनाना है तो हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे समझिए हमें फर्मेंटेड फूड खाना है साउथ इंडियन, तो हम एक दिन पहले भिगोएंगे दाल चावल, राइट? फिर उसको थोड़े घंटे सोक करने के बाद रात को उसको बैटर को मिक्स करके रख देंगे एंड उसको 8 to 10 आवर्स लगते हैं फर्मेंट होने में. एंड देन यू गेट द बैटर रेडी फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द साउथ इंडियन मील. Similarly is the magic. You give time to your mind's garden. अच्छे seeds डालो, उनको deliberately, उनको प्यार से उनको soak करो, because you need practice. Let them soak. Then let them, be mixed together to get that magic of that rising agent, and let them ferment and make it a healthy thing for your mind. So practice करनी पड़ेगी. Affirmations जरूर कीजिए. The meditations I am sharing, and in the evening I will also share few other affirmations with you. But जो भी आपको problem आ रहा है उसके related आपको अपना positive belief आपको instill करते रहना है. Okay? I hope this is clear. Anybody wants to share something as a comment, whether it is clear or no? My dear angels. Okay. Yes. Okay, Smita, thank you. So it is clear. Yes, thank you, Anchal. Thank you, Nidhi. So, yes, thank you, Shraddha. So this is what is very important in the worry tree. कई बार क्योंकि हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है. Thanks, Aditi and Amit. So people say, I have not done anything. Thank you, Kalpana. So this is, unconsciously किसी को नहीं दिखने वाला एक ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है जो शायद तो यहाँ तो मैं या तो सीड्स पास्ट कार्मिक लाइफ के हैं या अभी भी मैं सीड्स वैसे डाल रही हूँ, और फिर जब ट्रीज आते हैं तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आते. हम कहते हैं ये कैसा कैक्टस प्लांट आ गया, तो आपने वो सीड डाला होगा कैक्टस का कभी भी. एंड मेरी प्रॉब्लम लाइफ में काफी टाइम इसी से रिजॉल्व हुई. व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि बॉस मैं डेलिबरेटली इस अवेयरनेस में बैठी हूँ, बिकॉज थॉट और मैं सेम नहीं है. थॉट और मेरे अंदर थोड़ा गैप है. उस गैप में मैं थॉट को एज अ थर्ड पार्टी देख सकती हूँ, और ये प्रैक्टिस के साथ आएगा जब हम माइंडफुलनेस करते हैं. इफ दिस इज अ पेन, ओके, नाउ दिस पेन एंड वी आर सेपरेट. वैसे ही एक थॉट और मैं दो सेपरेट चीजें हैं. अगर एक थॉट आया है, समझिए बाय डिफॉल्ट आ गया है, देन देयर इज अ गैप. दिस इज अ थॉट एंड दिस इज मी. तो उसको ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, अच्छा ये थॉट, ये चैटर बॉक्स ये कुछ बोल रहा है और ये मैं हूँ, राइट, इनमें एक गैप है। तो आपके पास इतनी क्षमता है कि आप उसको ऑब्जर्व कर सके और उसको डिफ्यूज कर सके, that I don't want to thank you, okay, thank you for coming, now you can go, I want to think about something else, and affirmations then help you. And affirmations का अभी तो मैं आपको आगे लुइस हे के affirmations शेयर करूंगी, and she has been my mentor for transformation of my mindset. Now she is no longer, of course, alive. She passed away to the non-physical in 2017, but she has been, her work has been my favorite to change my mindset. तो मैं share करूँगी आपके साथ. We have some more days to go. Okay. So the last one now is 100% responsibility. Okay. Now, what is this 100% responsibility? ये हमने बहुत बार पहले भी शेयर किया है, और इसका नाम अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगी तो आप लोग हंसोगे, बिकॉज मैं बहुत ज्यादा इस पे बात करना चाहती हूँ, एंड deliberately make it an attempt to talk about this, and that practice is Ho'oponopono. This is an ancient Hawaiian healing principle, और इतनी problems solve हो जाती हैं with Ho'oponopono because you learn to take 100% responsibility. Till the time it doesn't become your second nature, trust me, I as your mentor will not stop talking about it, because I have the reason behind my stress-free life is Ho'oponopono. Thank you, Aditi. I know you love it. So the reason behind my stress-free life is implementation and usage of this principle. Ho'oponopono. 4 लाइनें हैं, मैं आपके पास ये भी, इसका भी वीडियो एक शेयर करूंगी. Before sleeping for tonight, you can also do Ho'oponopono. There was a time when this principle came into my life and I used to sleep after listening to this. तो 100% responsibility का मतलब क्या है? Which means that every atom, molecule, situation, person, everything has, been, whoever is coming in my life, it's a product of my thought. It's a product of my karma. Okay? मेरी सोच, मेरे कर्मा, चाहे मैंने इस जन्म में किए या पास्ट बर्थ्स में किए, everything, every little thing is happening because of me. And when you cut those, let go of those balloons जो आपने दूसरों को पकड़ के रखा है ना, कि दूसरे लोग मेरी लाइफ की मिजरी है, उसकी वजह से मेरे को गुस्सा आता है, उसकी वजह से मैं रोती हूँ. आप जब वो सारी चीजें रिलीज कर दोगे, एंड एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग दैट विल बी लेफ्ट इज ओनली यू. आप ही बचे. कुछ भी मेरी लाइफ में बाहर से नहीं आता है, एक्सटर्नल नहीं है, एवरीथिंग इज इंटरनल. So 100% responsibility in this principle says that yes, only I am responsible, Kalpana. Which means कि मेरी लाइफ की responsibility situations जो है वो मेरी बैलेंस शीट है, डेबिट क्रेडिट वो मेरी लाइफ से हो रहा है. अच्छा हो रहा है तो वो मेरे को क्रेडिट हो रहा है, नहीं अच्छा हो रहा है तो वो डेबिट हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ माई कार्मिक पैटर्न्स. वो मेरा कार्मिक अकाउंट है. जैसे बैंक अकाउंट होता है वैसे देयर इज अ कार्मिक अकाउंट. सो कार्मिक अकाउंट में, जैसे बैंक में हम स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं, इतने रुपीज डेबिट हुए, इतने रुपीज क्रेडिट हुए. तो अच्छा हुआ मीन्स आपकी कार्मिक अकाउंट में कुछ क्रेडिट आया, और अगर नहीं अच्छा हुआ मीन्स आपके कार्मिक अकाउंट से कुछ डेबिट हो गया. सो इट्स अ गिव एंड टेक एक्चुअली, and there is nobody in this life who will always have credits in his life. So life is going to be like that. The fact that we are meeting after so many weeks because there was something else happening in my life, right, which I had to be present for. I cannot run away with my responsibility. So you have to take away with, you have to enjoy and face life with 100% responsibility. आधे आधे मन से नहीं करो, फिर मजा नहीं आएगा. अब ये सोचो, जब आप 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हो एज अ मदर, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर फीमेल्स हियर, एंड जब आप 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हो, अज्यूमिंग लेट्स से आपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए कि भैया आई एम देयर फॉर माई पेरेंट्स, आई विल नॉट लेट एनीथिंग wrong happen with them, or I will be there for them, I am there for them. वो 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने में मजा है या फिर 50-50? ऑब्वियसली 100% में ही मजा आएगा. यू कैनॉट लीव इट टू चांस. देखा जाएगा, ख्याल रखना होगा तो रखूंगी, नहीं रखना होगा तो नहीं रखूंगी. उसमें क्या मजा है लाइफ में? Thanks, Kalpana. So 100% responsibility when it goes to Ho'oponopono, because that is a problem solving tool, a clearing statement, 4 clearing statements. Yes, thanks, Reena. 4 clearing statements is I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Which means if all the problems have been originated by my karmic account, can I seek forgiveness? Can I say I'm sorry and please forgive me? Can I say that I never intended to do it? It happened unknowingly because I was unconsciously living my life. मैं जानबूझ के नहीं कर रही थी. So please forgive me. I love you. Inherently, everybody is made up of, either 10 people sitting across that screen or this side. Everybody is made up of that God consciousness. सब यहाँ से यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी से ही आए हैं. तो फिर नाराजगी किससे है? Right? So remember that if you take up 100% responsibility and take up that ownership कि बॉस मेरी लाइफ में जो हो रहा है, if I am the creator, तो सोल्यूशन कौन दे सकता है? सिर्फ मैं. जब बनाई ही मैंने है प्रॉब्लम, तो सफाई कौन करेगा? लाइफ कितनी हल्की हो जाती है, क्योंकि जब आपने इतना ज्यादा वो हैवी स्टोन्स और वो बलून्स और वो बर्डन्स नहीं पकड़ने हैं, आपको पता है आपकी लाइफ है, आपको ही संभालनी है, then you let go. Forgiveness is the biggest burden रिलीज करने वाली एक्सरसाइज. बिकॉज जब तक मैंने दूसरों को वो एक अटैक पे डाल के रखा है, एक पेडेस्टल पे डाल के रखा है, बॉस तेरी तुम्हारी वजह से, आपकी वजह से, आपकी वजह से, आपकी वजह से, till that time I am always like a lawyer who is fighting that case. How stressful it is when you watch a movie which is having some legal tussle going on. Do you really want to be that? And most of us we know that it was legal cases se to दूर ही रहना है. We really don't want to get involved into some legal aspect, because that is very emotionally draining, mentally draining, financially draining. Plus nobody likes to be on the pedestal, right? But mentally हम लोग pedestal पे रखते हैं लोगों को. Mentally एक कोर्ट केस चलाते हैं हम पे. क्या आप वो केसेस सब खत्म कर सकते हो क्या? Then you will have to approach Ho'oponopono. ये 4 स्टेटमेंट्स बोलनी ही पड़ेंगी. So we have 5 more minutes where my director producer is saying that okay, 5 more minutes and let's take up 100% responsibility. 5 minutes में लाइफ जिंदादिली से हम समझे और उसको implement करें. Nobody else is responsible for whatever did not happen well in my life. So Ho'oponopono, you search, it is a Hawaiian principle. Dr. Hugh Len ने इनको इस prayer को आगे बढ़ाया, and Joe Vitale has also written a book which is Zero Limits. It's very simple technique. इतनी innocent और इतनी प्यारी टेक्निक है, इसको implementation में कोई भी चीज की समझ चाहिए. बस इसी चीज को आपने chant करना है, I am sorry, please forgive me. Because I am the originator and creator of this, if there is something wrong happening in my life, then there is definitely some karmic connection to me. तो आप उसको कट कर दीजिए with I am sorry and please forgive me से, and I love you and I thank you से आप उसको एक
Sorry.
I love you and I thank you से आप उसको एक positive vibration दे रहे हैं, right? That whatever is happened or has happened, I just encompass it with the vibration of love and gratitude. I thank you means gratitude, right? So this is what I had for today, and this will be uploaded for others, obviously who couldn't join us today. Do keep on going through these because this is not a one-time exercise. एक बार आपने समझ लिया तो this is again, there are people who are on this call, I keep on telling them, बस knowledge को wisdom में convert करो. You know, reading a book is something else, attending a session is something else, but are you really able to apply it in your life and see the magic? So there is a distance between knowledge and wisdom. Cover that distance with practice. Keep on doing it, listen to it again, do that finger tracing. Emotional body तो बहुत powerful चीज है. जैसे I have somebody on this Zoom call now who acknowledged कि इतना stress हो गया था that there was something happening in my stomach. Okay, so understand all the exercises, part 1, part 2, repeatedly कीजिए, ठीक है, and you will see the benefits. So that's all from me today. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you. I hope you all liked it. And keep sharing your experiences in the group also, because I want more people to live life simply. Itni complicated hai nahi. Thank you, Ankita. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care. See you on the community page. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.